Sangranghala Zompai High Secondary Nog na kaham Michael Mungi Bisingtino Paragliding Take Off Point Landing Point is Zompai High Secondary School Ring Nog Nikotal Nog no Fiogi Reka Hasani Montre Okra Dr. Manik Shaha Nog na kaham Michael Mini Shamung Botani Bisingtino Shalni Romino Oter Shangta Zaka Opanda Manjaka Hoda Hankrani Montre Eba Hoda Ring Montre Shantana Zakma TIDCD Chairman Tinku Roy Salgra Bakaste Ajufang Nagas Kumarbi Bakaste Police Super Kumar Karan Kenok Hobino Kubina Adongro. Paragliding point Fioki the money bagino terrorist rockni bagino zompi hilte bokha Tancher money pine. Obani bagina Anthony Lukurokni Beleno Kahamungai Obani Logi Wono Ring Bedegna Hamkre Kleineni Bagay Haste Hapang Shamung Klai Tongo.
On my birthday, but you have to provide the service to the people. And every time we did it, and this time we have inaugurated this Puthikore 2017. And it will continue up to November, that is 3 months it will continue. And the beneficiaries to have the different certificates for which people have to go to the office. So, at one go, everything will be getting in different manner and different awareness program. So, and at the BC level and at the Gram Panchayat level, not only on subdivision or district level, not in state level, we have decided to go at the grassroots level. So that's why we are doing this Puthikore Resolution. I am very glad today that never have thought of that here also, this paragliding also could be started. Really I am amazed for